Because of the size of the company, we were able to go and change and pivot very quickly. Transport Genie is a precision monitoring company based out of Guelph, Ontario, in which we've created our own sensors from scratch to monitor microclimate conditions as animals are being transported to either an abattoir, another farm, or any other destination. Luckily, because we are in the food production business and it was recognized as an essential service, we were not affected by it. It has become more of an opportunity for us because we've quickly pivoted our technology in order to create a product that we're introducing in the marketplace to help monitor people as they are moving around facilities. And this is important because it helps reduce the cost of cleaning and disinfection, and also help identify which other people may have been affected by this individual or is at high risk. Because of COVID-19, we believe that our markets has increased from just an agri-tech focus to other sectors that could use at food processing facilities, in healthcare facilities, in construction sites. We find that there are many applications to our trace solution, which we have recently announced. It's important for entrepreneurs such as myself to be very open in terms of providing and finding other solutions. It's prudent for companies, especially tech companies, to understand that things can change very rapidly. And so you cannot be stuck on ideas. And it's very important to be open to new ideas and thoughts.